Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Agua para Lentes de Contacto is probably one of the most essential items for contact lens wearers, ensuring comfort, hygiene, and the longevity of your vision correction. This solution is not just a cleaning agent, it's a vital part of your daily routine that directly impacts the health of your eyes and the clarity of your sight, making the choice of the right product a critical decision for anyone relying on contact lenses for their visual needs. Number 5. Garnier Hydrating Micellar Water. Discover the power of Micellar technology. This gentle cleanser effectively removes makeup and impurities without harsh rubbing, making it perfect for even sensitive skin. Experience a refreshing cleanse that also hydrates. It leaves your skin feeling soft, soothed, and perfectly clean after every use. Feel good about your skincare. Our formula is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards. With a large 13.5 fluid ounces, 400 milliliters size, you have plenty for daily use. Enjoy a thorough and gentle cleanse that lasts. Make it your go-to for a quick and effective skincare routine. It's the perfect first step to clean, hydrated, and happy skin. What we like. This is a gentle cleanser perfect for sensitive skin. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, making it a conscious choice. If you have easily irritated skin or prefer ethical products, this is a great option for your daily skincare routine. What people say. The solution is very effective for cleaning and disinfecting contact lenses, keeping them moist throughout the day. It's a great all-in-one solution that simplifies the contact lens care routine, suitable for all types of lenses. The formula is gentle on the eyes and does not cause any irritation, even for sensitive eyes. Number 4. Renu Advanced Formula Multi-Purpose Contact Lens Solution. Experience the next level of clean and comfort for your soft contact lenses. Our advanced formula is designed to keep your eyes feeling fresh all day long. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. This solution gently cleans, disinfects, moisturizes, and hydrates your lenses, ensuring comfortable wear from morning to night. Simplify your lens care routine. It effectively cleans and disinfects while providing essential moisture, all in one convenient multi-purpose solution. Your purchase includes a handy lens case, perfect for storing your lenses safely and hygienically wherever you go. Our carefully crafted formula is gentle on your eyes but tough on debris and microorganisms. Enjoy clear vision and lasting comfort with every use. Feel the difference of superior hydration. It keeps your lenses moist and comfortable, mimicking the natural feel of your eyes for extended wear. What we like. Experience all-day comfort with this advanced multi-purpose solution. It gently cleans, disinfects, and moisturizes your soft lenses. If you're looking for a reliable solution that keeps your lenses comfortable from morning to night, this is the one for you. What people say. The solution is very effective for cleaning and disinfecting contact lenses, leaving them feeling fresh and comfortable. It helps to keep my lenses hydrated throughout the day, preventing dryness and irritation. The large bottle size offers great value and lasts for a considerable amount of time. Number 3. Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit. Introducing the Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit, designed for your convenience on the go. Keep your lenses clean and safe wherever your adventures take you. This portable kit includes everything you need: a cleaner, washer, mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for daily wear and outdoor activities. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into any bag or pocket. You can now maintain your eye hygiene effortlessly, even when you're away from home. Never be without your lens care essentials. This kit comes complete with a mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool for easy handling of your contact lenses. Ensure your contact lenses are always clean and ready to wear with the included cleaner and washer. Maintain optimal eye health with this practical travel solution. The included solution bottle ensures your lenses are stored safely and hygienically. Travel with confidence, knowing your lenses are protected. What we like. This is a convenient portable kit for contact lens care on the go. It includes a mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool, all in a compact design. If you travel frequently or need a discreet solution for maintaining your lenses outdoors, this kit is essential. What people say. This contact lens solution is great for cleaning and storing lenses. It keeps my lenses moist throughout the day, preventing dryness. The solution is gentle on the eyes and does not cause irritation. Number 2. Biotrue Multipurpose Contact Lens Solution. Experience a new level of clean for your soft contact lenses. Our advanced formula effectively removes protein buildup, dirt, and debris. Enjoy comfortable wear all day long. This solution provides exceptional hydration, keeping your lenses moist and comfortable. Simplify your lens care routine. It cleans, disinfects, removes protein, hydrates, stores, and conditions your lenses in one easy step. Specifically formulated for soft contact lenses. It ensures optimal performance and care for your daily wear lenses. Choose a solution trusted by eye care professionals and patients alike. It provides reliable and effective care for your vision. This convenient 4 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for home use and travel. It ensures you always have your essential lens care on hand. What we like. This multi-purpose solution effectively cleans, disinfects, and removes protein buildup. It also hydrates your soft lenses for optimal wear. If you struggle with protein deposits or need a solution that ensures clear vision and comfort, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is a good product. The product is very useful. Number 1. Rio 2 Gen 6 Soft Contact Lens Cleaner. Experience superior moisture retention with our advanced cleaning solution. It's designed to keep your lenses comfortable all day long. Our innovative electrophoresis technology provides a deep clean like never before. It effectively removes debris and impurities from your lenses. Achieve a deep clean and rehydration in just 10 minutes. This ensures your soft contact lenses are refreshed and ready to wear quickly. This package includes a convenient mirror and tweezers for easy lens handling. Everything you need for optimal lens care is right here. It offers a gentle yet effective cleaning process for your soft contact lenses. Enjoy clear vision and lasting comfort with every use. Specifically formulated for soft contact lenses, it ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Trust it for the care of your daily wear lenses. What we like. Achieve superior moisture retention with advanced electrophoresis technology. This cleaner deeply cleans and rehydrates your soft contact lenses in just 10 minutes. If you experience dry eyes or want to ensure your lenses stay hydrated and comfortable throughout the day, this is the ideal solution. What people say. It is a good product that helps keep my lenses clean and hydrated. The solution is gentle on my eyes and does not cause any irritation. I appreciate that it comes in a convenient travel size, making it easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.